UMLA nak liang pyrshah oba Mohendro Rapsang ula ther ke Sorkar Jylla halor ke jingduna nak bynta banyak ke khlam COVID-19 war hadien ke jingpynlut ke haduh kumba sauspa haduh sanspa crore tingka Haba iakren begra pathai KHUBOR sngi palei mynta taiew nu UMLA jong ke West Shillong ula kynthoh nak boong ba ke Sorkar naduh snem baladep ka yai ong bakla long ke Khreh hynrei Haba pe ke jinglong jingman mynta ka pyrshah ba kampat long ke pynlkhreh.
Coming up with this thing, we're doing this, we're doing that, we are prepared for this. But I don't see for 1.5 years, it's almost 1.5 years, nothing is happening. I don't know. Have they prepared the COVID treatment center? Have they built up any COVID prevention center? Have they put any space for containment for students, for people, for returnees to come back? Now what they have done is they will go home and do your quarantine at home. How do you expect people to do quarantine at home when they live in 1, 2 rooms, 3 rooms? Suppose he is infected after coming after the test, what will happen now? So these are the things which we have to oversee everything now. We should not take things lightly. Government should be very serious about it.
Uba Rapsang la benrap ru barakani ka pisa la day ban la banchnar ka we ka hospital ka bahe na ka benta ki beyo e ka jingpang COVID-19.
400-500 crores if you spend, they can build one big hospital, man. Just to put all those people who are suffer from this disease, from this pandemic, from this COVID patient, they can put in one hospital. In 1 day or 1.5 year time, they can finish one hospital, man, with 500-600 crores. 1,000 beds we can have in 500-600 crores if we spend money so much. That we can ease up. For whole state can be put there. People suffer from anywhere, they can bring to that center. With 500 crores, if we spend in hospital just for treatment of COVID, there's nothing to worry about. So government should look to that. What a sense. They should look beyond what's going to happen next. Now they should plan to have one big hospital with 500-600 bed or 1,000 bed only for COVID. We don't know what is going to happen. So this they should plan now immediately. Within 1 year should complete the hospital fully only for COVID treatment. Plus the doctors, the manpower, everything only for that. Otherwise we will be suffering a lot. Other ailment will be suffering. Other ailment like other sickness of the people. If everybody is concentrating on COVID, what will happen to the people who are ailment or other disease? They should see broader sense now.
Ulapan kan mauru ike jinjar baki jing baki breu ki yakendo house nam baladab.
Last year we have seen how much the common people have suffered. How much? Plus last year has just started. Some people has got a little saving. They are spending from their saving. But now there is no more saving. People are dying now. So it is very, very important. The government should see to it. What will happen to those daily laborers? They have to earn their livelihood every day. Government should look into that.